Todd. The eagle is holding a set of arrows showing its readiness to fight and an olive branch, which signifies peace. The fact that the eagle's head points towards the olive branch signifies that the US prefers peace compared to conflict. Now, on to the other more controversial seal. The pyramid is meant to represent strength and durability, and the floating eye called the Eye of Providence is meant to represent the Illuminati. I mean God watching over us seriously, though the eye is a pretty frequently used symbol throughout history and is a simple and effective way to represent God. So it most likely doesn't represent a secret society's prevailing influence, the Kapoor triangle encasing. The eye is separated to symbolize that the United States is still far from finished and the rising sun behind. It is supposed to represent a new nation that has begun it. Even leaves a shadow to the west as back. Then that was the direction of undiscovered. It's the motto at the top reads Annuit Coeptis, meaning he has favored our undertaking S, and the motto at the bottom reads Novus Ordo Seclorum. That's a Harry Potter spell, okay? It's not really. It actually means a new order of the ages. Don't get confused into thinking it means a new world order, though, because it actually signifies the beginning of a new American era as of the date of the Declaration of Independence. That date 1776 is inscribed above in Roman numerals on the bottom pyramid. Step by now, you may be wondering why these as were chosen, or perhaps you've noticed that we've missed a couple things. Well, remember what I said about the number 13? I wasn't lying when I said it was important. This motto has 13 letters. There are also 13 steps on the pyramid and 13 pearls coming out of the seal on both sides. The ribbon motto has 13 letters. The eagle was holding 13 arrows, and the olive branch has 13 leaves and 13 berries. And there are 13 stars above the eagle's head each, with 13 Be Amazed logos inside. Alright, maybe. 1. Anyhow, the number 13 was maybe a tiny bit special to the founding fathers, as it symbolizes the 13 original colonies. Now, whilst most agree that these markings make some sense, perhaps the oddest feature that has conspiracy theorists drooling is this owl or spider mark. An owl mark was symbolize the Illuminati, and a SP spider would fit with the web background theme. Both may seem plausible, but sadly, there isn't even better explanation for this. After overlaying a transposed section of the web from the bottom part of the bill, it is clear that this is just an unintentional feature. Now, that's pretty much everything for the dollar bill. But what about other US dollar note values? While sadly, there aren't as many cool hidden symbols to talk about, and we've deliberately missed out certain design features, because we're considering making another video on this. So let us know in the comments below if this is something you'd like to see. And if you're a viewer from way in the future, there may be a follow-up video on screen. Now click it.